not a game, it's a rich thing.
Rick Ross, born William Leonard Roberts Villieu on January 28, 1976, in Clarksdale, Mississippi, has made an indelible mark on the music industry, particularly within the hip-hop world. His name is synonymous with success, power, and luxury. From humble beginnings to a global music mogul, Ross has cultivated an extravagant lifestyle that reflects his journey to fame and fortune. In this video, we'll delve into the various elements that define Rick Ross's luxury lifestyle, including his vast net worth, jaw-dropping car collection, and palatial mansions. Net worth and financial success. Rick Ross's rise to prominence began in the mid-2000s, but his wealth today is a result of not just his rap career, but also strategic business ventures. As of 2025, Rick Ross's net worth is estimated to be around $50 million to $60 million, though some estimates vary depending on fluctuating assets and investments. He initially found fame with his debut album, Port of Miami, which quickly became a commercial success, but it's his long-running career and diversified investments that have allowed him to accumulate such immense wealth. Aside from his rap albums, Ross has capitalized on his success through various business endeavors. He is the founder of Maybach Music Group, a label that has signed prominent artists like Meek Mill, Whale, and Rick Ross himself. This record label has played a significant role in his financial growth. Moreover, Ross has invested in the food industry, notably owning several Wingstop franchises, which has only added to his fortune. His entrepreneurial spirit, combined with his musical talent, has propelled him to financial heights that many in the industry only dream of. Car collection. Rick Ross is known for his larger-than-life persona, and his car collection is a direct reflection of this. He's often seen cruising in some of the most luxurious, high-performance vehicles on the market. One of his prized possessions is a custom-made Maybach 57S, a symbol of his success and love for luxury automobiles. The Maybach, a brand associated with opulence, is tailored to meet the unique needs and taste of the owner, and Ross's is no exception. In addition to his Maybach, Rick Ross's collection includes a host of other high-end vehicles. He is often seen behind the wheel of a Rolls-Royce, a brand synonymous with sophistication and exclusivity. His love for luxury sports cars extends to the Bentley Continental GT, another prestigious car that defines his image of wealth and refinement. Another standout vehicle in his collection is the Lamborghini Aventador, a car known for its unmatched performance and sleek, aerodynamic design. Ross has also been known to flaunt his Chevrolet Corvette Z06, a sports car that combines affordability with high performance, highlighting his diverse range of vehicles. Ross's car collection is not just about the brands, but also about customization. He has made a name for himself with his ability to put a personal touch on his vehicles. His customizations include upgraded interiors, unique paint jobs, and state-of-the-art technology that ensures every car he owns is as unique as he is. The sheer volume and variety of cars in his collection give a glimpse into the personality of Rick Ross, a man who takes pride in having the best of everything. Mansions and real estate. Rick Ross's real estate holdings are just as extravagant as his car collection. In fact, one of his most famous properties is the Promised Land, a massive estate located in the upscale community of Fayette County, Georgia. This mansion spans 54,000 square feet and is built on 235 acres of land. It is considered one of the largest private residences in the state of Georgia. Ross purchased the property in 2014 for $5.8 million, and it's not hard to see why this estate became a dream home for him. The Promised Land boasts an array of luxurious features, including the grandiose entryway, multiple bedrooms and bathrooms, a full-sized basketball court, and an extensive swimming pool. The mansion also features a guest house, a nightclub, and even a zoo, complete with exotic animals. The estate is a testament to Ross's love for excess and his ability to turn a simple residence into a sanctuary of luxury. But it's not just the home itself that makes it special, it's the details. Ross spared no expense when it came to furnishing and decorating the property, ensuring that every corner reflects his extravagant lifestyle. Beyond Promised Land, Rick Ross owns multiple properties across the United States. His real estate portfolio includes homes in Miami, Florida, a city known for its own brand of luxury. In addition to these private homes, Ross's portfolio includes commercial real estate, such as the Wingstop franchises he owns across the country, contributing to his growing financial empire. Lavish lifestyle. Rick Ross's lifestyle is one that includes the finest things in life. From the clothes he wears to the events he attends, everything about his life is designed to exude wealth and sophistication. He often wears custom suits, jewelry, and watches that are symbols of his success. His taste for luxury is reflected not only in the cars and homes he owns, but also in the way he carries himself and the events he participates in. One aspect of Ross's lifestyle that's often discussed is his love for fine dining and luxury experiences. Whether he's hosting lavish parties at his mansion or dining at the most exclusive restaurants, Ross always ensures that the experience is nothing less than exceptional. His social media posts often feature glimpses of the extravagant meals he enjoys, from expensive seafood to delicacies prepared by world-renowned chefs. Rick Ross has also made appearances at some of the most prestigious events in the entertainment industry, from the Met Gala to high-profile charity events. These occasions give him the chance to not only showcase his impeccable style, but also to network with the world's elite. The lifestyle that Ross leads is one of indulgence and excess, but it's also one that reflects the hard work and dedication that went into building his empire, health, and fitness. Amidst all the luxury, Rick Ross has also made a concerted effort to focus on his health and fitness in recent years. Known for his larger-than-life persona, Ross experienced a transformation in his physical appearance after undergoing a lifestyle change, particularly with regard to his diet and exercise routine. He has been very open about his struggles with weight and health, especially after a series of health scares that involved seizures and concerns over his heart health. In response to these challenges, Ross committed himself to losing weight and adopting healthier habits. His transformation has been a source of inspiration for many of his fans. As he documented the process on social media, Ross now emphasizes a healthy diet, regular exercise, and mental wellness as part of his overall lifestyle. Despite his indulgent, luxury-oriented image, Rick Ross has shown that he understands the importance of taking care of one's health, proving that success is not only about wealth, but also about longevity. Rick Ross's luxury lifestyle is a culmination of years of hard work, strategic investments, and a passion for enjoying life's finer things. With a net worth that continues to grow, a collection of vehicles that reflects his love for opulence, and a mansion that could house an entire neighborhood, Rick Ross has built a life that many only dream of. But it's not just about material possessions. It's about the choices he's made and the discipline he's maintained to get to where he is today. From his entrepreneurial ventures to his passion for music, Rick Ross has proven that success is not just about fame, but also about building a legacy that will stand the test of time. If you've enjoyed learning about Rick Ross's luxury lifestyle, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Luxionaire Lifestyle for more insights into the lives of the world's most successful individuals.
It's not a game, it's a